Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what VECHAIN is doing. The price was coming down, okay, because Bitcoin, you can see that it's been just playing with all the emotions. See how Bitcoin is in this channel, and it's just going up and down like that. Now it came down, and so it's trying to come back up. Okay, so same goes for VECHAIN. Look at how similar the patterns are. Okay, they're both making these same channels. Okay, and then it came down, but VeChain held it over here. You can see how much accumulation was done. It came right back up. It went all the way down to 77.68. Okay, so now we want to see what VeChain do is VeChain needs to break this white resistance line and this yellow resistance line. Now if it does that, we know upwards movement is going to start. Okay, now even if you go in the daily time frame, let me show you. Can see this bullish divergence in the daily time frame, so that's a very good sign. Okay, now if this bullish divergence it breaks this white line, goes below this white line, then this obviously this support is going to get broken and it's going to come to the downside. Where can it potentially come? If it falls down, you can potentially see it coming and testing this low over here. Okay, and if Bitcoin, there's a 4 hourly close, but we see a lot of accumulation being done here. If Bitcoin, let's say, falls below, okay, breaks this support line, then Bitcoin can come and test test and have a little bit of a jump where this 55 moving average is in the weekly time frame. Okay, and maybe go a little bit below, but wick down below and then come back up to this and rest on this 55 moving average in the weekly time frame. But overall, a lot of accumulation is being done for VeChain at this level. The reason I say that is because you can see this amazing bullish divergence taking place for VeChain. If you go check out Bitcoin's it's almost there, but not as strong as VeChain's. You see, if Bitcoin breaks this, okay, support, then it's gonna come down, okay, and maybe VeChain will come test this support again, okay, because there is a huge gap between um, Bitcoin's divergence and VeChain's divergence. Okay, but overall, VeChain is looking extremely good to me. I don't know why, but that's what the whole chart is saying. But if we go in the weekly time frame, and this is another sign that I can show you. Okay, and let's just take all the drawings off. And you can see VeChain is at this 100 moving average, okay, which getting good support. Now I want to bring this into your attention, okay? You can see this downfall, okay? This pullback that VeChain had from its all-time high of 18 cents, about 19 cents. Okay, let's run it off. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 red weekly closes, okay? 5, okay? When was the last time we had this? If you go back into history, you can see we had 1, 3 over here, okay? The last time we had this was at 4 over here. Okay, 4. Okay, so the last time we had it was right over here, 8 weekly closes. Okay, 8 of them. Wow, never had a 5 weekly close. Okay, so right after we have these kind of closes, 3, 4 weekly closes and of a pump over here, then it came down. But you see, there's the support wasn't there for the EMAs. Okay, so now this one over here, we have this big support over here, okay? And we have these 5 weekly close, and you can see the volume is going down for the um, red volume, okay? It's coming down. So if we might, this next week that's gonna start, we might get a big green candle, right over here, okay? Because this is what this volume is indicating, okay? Right after we look at this, how the volume is going down or down, losing momentum, okay? So this is a big indication, I would say, okay? But Bitcoin overall, it needs to, let's go on the phone. Bitcoin needs to keep its momentum to the upside, okay? If Bitcoin maintains that, and we have a 4 hourly close coming soon, okay? So if we keep our momentum above this support, we can see another run like this, okay? Because it is respecting this channel over here. Same goes for VeChain. If VeChain can keep this momentum, okay? Uh, if VeChain can keep this momentum, okay, like that, and Bitcoin does the same, can see VeChain breaking this, at least the yellow support, okay? And overall, things are looking good, but if it falls below this support line, expect VeChain to come over here. Yeah, it's gonna test this low over here, okay? If it fails to hold this one, because it does have this huge support right over here at this wick over here, okay? If it fails to hold this, then expect we can come try to test this level over here, okay? But overall, until and unless it's let's take this off. Yeah, until and unless it's above the 100 moving average, okay? And it's in this symmetrical pattern, it's all bullish, and it's above this low, okay? Everything is looking good. And we do also have the bullish divergence in place right now, okay? So things are looking good because you can see here when VeChain was right over here, okay, it didn't create a bullish divergence. It's in this channel, it didn't create it, okay, and the price came down, okay? So right over here as well, okay, we didn't have a bullish divergence, so when it came right over here, you can see a bullish divergence took place. We broke to the upside, okay? All we want to see is Bitcoin build up momentum, which you can see it is right at the moment, you know, and we want it to break this resistance and the yellow line, okay? At least then we can see VeChain go to the upside, okay? But okay guys, this is it for today. Hopefully this brought you some knowledge and information. Kindly like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.